After learning this, you will never buy powdered soap again. Only a few people know this amazing trick I'm about to show you today. Once you discover it, you'll be amazed and never again throw away leftover soap scraps from your bathroom shower. This trick will help you create homemade soap or washing powder quickly and easily. But that's not all. I will also share another fantastic trick that will keep your bathrooms clean and fragrant, so you won't feel embarrassed when visitors come over. Pay close attention because the good stuff starts now. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. First, let me show you the trick to keep your bathrooms clean and pleasantly scented throughout the day. I have here 2 limes and some washing powder. I made this powdered soap at home, which I'll use to teach you the second trick. Let's begin by squeezing the limes into a container. If your limes are smaller, use 3 or 4. Once we've finished squeezing, we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered soap. If you have a different brand of powdered soap, feel free to use it. Mix well until fully integrated. You'll notice the effervescent effect. Let it rest for a few seconds to let the foam settle, then add 200 milliliters of water. Additionally, add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. I'm using 70%, but any concentration will do. Transfer the mixture into a spray atomizer, and now you have a powerful cleaner ready to use. This homemade cleaner not only provides a fresh scent, but also effectively eliminates germs and bacteria, without any harmful effects on your health. Apply it to the sink and toilet, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse with water. You'll notice how clean and fresh everything becomes. Now, let's move on to today's special tip. I have different colored bars of soap here, but you can use any soap you have at home, whether new or used. Instead of throwing away the small leftover soap pieces, save them for this method, which is also environmentally friendly. Using a knife, slice the soap bars completely. I have 3 bars, but you can use as many as you want. As always, I send greetings at the end of the videos. Let me know which country you're watching from so I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Now, take a blender and add the sliced soap bars. If the blender gets stuck, give it a little help. Grind everything thoroughly. Once crushed, transfer it to a container and let it dry in the sun for 2 hours, although this step is optional. When it's completely dry, pour it into a slightly larger container to prepare your homemade soap powder regularly. Add 4 tablespoons of refined salt. Do not use coarse salt, it must be refined. Next, add 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix well to ensure complete integration. Feel free to share any tips or tricks you'd like us to cover on the channel. I always read your suggestions. Return the mixture to the blender and grind until it becomes a fine powder, similar to the store-bought ones. You can use a spoon to stir the blender, but be cautious. Once everything is finely crushed, transfer it to a container. Look how amazing it turned out! Just like the soap powder you buy at the supermarket. A unique and easy way to make soap powder at home. You can use it for cleaning or washing your clothes without any issues. Now you know what to do with the leftover soap at home. Which of these 2 tricks did you find most interesting? If you found them helpful, please share this with someone who might be interested. Today, I send greetings to Gloria Burnaby from Chicago and Roberta J. from Texas. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive more similar tips, please comment below. I want more tips. This will let me know if I'm doing things right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips like these.